Solder paste is an indispensable soldering material in the electronics manufacturing industry, plays a very important role in surface-mounted technologies. From smartphones, computers to automotive electronics, nearly all electronic products cannot be assembled without solder paste. Specifically, the role of solder paste contains the following three aspects. The first, connecting components and pads. In the reflow soldering process, solder paste melts and constitutes a liquid solder, connecting the pins of components with the pads on the PCB. Conductive solder can be good conductivity itself, ensuring smooth activity of the character between the component and the PCB. 3. Supporting components. After the soldering is completed, the solder state of the solder can provide certain mechanical strength to fix the components on the PCB. Performance is related to the quality and the reliability of electronic products. How to choose the right solder paste is essential. 1. Lead or not. Solder paste is usually divided into lead solder paste and lead-free solder paste. Lead solder paste is harmful to the environment and human body, but with excellent SMT soldering effect. Lead-free solder belongs to green products, applied to eco-friendly electronic components. 2. The melting point. Solder paste, according to melting point, can usually be categorized into high-temperature solder paste, medium-temperature solder paste, and lower-temperature solder paste. The melting point of high-temperature solder paste is usually more than 217 Celsius, with good soldering effect. The melting point of medium-temperature solder paste is about 170 Celsius, with good adhesion, can effectively prevent the collapse. The melting point of low-temperature solder paste is 138 Celsius, can protect the components, and the PCB cannot be withstand high-temperature reflow soldering. Most of the solder paste we use is high temperature. If the component is special and can resist high temperature, it will be adjusted to medium temperature or low temperature according to different projects. 3. Thin powder particle size. The more precise the product, the smaller the thin powdery part. For fat solder paste can match the needs of high-density package to achieve a more precise connection of electronic components. In SMT process, the accuracy and quality of the solder paste inspection can directly affect the quality and stability of the PCBA. Our POE SPI solder paste inspection machine adopts optional imaging technology and quickly detects the thickness, area, and the flatness of solder paste on the board, and the data of measurements and imaging can be sent back to the computer to ensure the quality of surface mounting. The use of SPI solder paste detector can greatly improve the production efficiency and the accuracy of solder paste printing, avoid the soldering problems caused by post-solder paste printing and circular connection problems, thus improving the quality and stability of the PCBA.